Austin Area Color New takes care of the entire interior of a car, including repairing torn or faded center consoles, removing stains from carpets, and even removing bad odors and cigarette smoke. Color New repairs cloth, leather, or vinyl car seats, and just like the carpet, we can remove stains from seats as well. Previously mounted things look as if they were never there, and banged up door panels can look like new again. We've specialized in repairing tears for over 15 years. For damaged dashboards, we can either repair or replace them, and an old steering wheel comes back to life in our hands. Austin Area Color New covers most of Central Texas, so give us an opportunity to impress you with a free demo. Call us today.